In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send messages from a Facebook page using Meta Business Suite. If you manage a Facebook page for a business, brand, or organization, Meta Business Suite makes it much easier to handle conversations in one place. This is especially helpful when you want to reply quickly, stay organized, and keep track of recent chats without switching back and forth between different tools. To get started, open Meta Business Suite and go to the main navigation menu. From there, click on Inbox. This is the area where your pages, messages, and conversations are managed, so it's the best place to begin whenever you want to respond to someone or continue an existing discussion. Once you're in the inbox, click on Messenger. This filters your inbox so you can focus specifically on Facebook Messenger conversations connected to your page. If your page receives messages from multiple channels, this step helps make sure you're looking at the right message type before you send a reply. At this point, you can send messages to recent people you've already contacted. You should see a list of recent conversations, which makes it easy to pick up where you left off. This is useful if someone has already messaged your page and you want to continue the conversation without having to search for them manually. Just select the conversation you want and the message thread will open. If you don't immediately see the person you want to message, you can use the search bar. Type in the name or details associated with the conversation to find it faster. This is a great time saver, especially if your page handles a lot of messages. Using the search feature can help you avoid scrolling through a long list of chats and lets you jump straight to the right conversation. After you've opened the correct chat, start typing your message in the message box. Take a moment to make sure your reply is clear, professional, and appropriate for your audience, since messages sent from your page represent your brand or business. When you're ready, click Send to deliver the message. And that's it. That's how to send messages from a Facebook page using Meta Business Suite. Once you get familiar with the inbox and messenger sections, replying to customers, followers, or leads becomes much more efficient. If you're managing communication regularly, checking this area often can help you stay responsive and maintain better engagement through your Facebook page.